Hello and welcome back. I am Dr. Ankit Gupta and today we will be discussing about a very common issue that is called as a saddle bag. As you can see, and in many females they suffer from this issue that they have a lot of fat which is accumulated just below the hip area, and these are called as the saddle bags. And this lady, she is past her 50s. She was suffering from this for last 30 years, but finally she gained courage to get her surgery done to get rid of these saddle bags so that she could wear proper dress and so that this bulge is not visible through her dresses. And this is how she used to look before the surgery. These were the bags which were not in harmony with her body. This is lipodystrophy. This is the extra amount of fat which is bulging out. So we planned a very simple surgery for her. We planned a liposuction surgery for her. The liposuction surgery, what we do is through very small cuts. This black mark is the small hole that we are planning to do for her. Through this small cut, we will be removing all the fat that is accumulated in her saddle bags. Plus we also plan to remove these small love handles that she has in the lower tummy area on the sides. So through this small cut itself, we will be able to remove both these saddle bags, and in the back we will give one cut in this just in the fold below your hips and in the buttock area, just below your buttock area, and through these two cuts we will be approaching this area and removing whole of the saddle bags. So this is the process of liposuction. In liposuction, we first infiltrate a fluid. This is the tumescent fluid. The tumescent fluid is a mixture of an anesthetic solution. This is a mixture of lignocaine along with normal saline along with adrenaline. What it does, it mixes with the fat, it decreases the bleeding in the area, it causes anesthesia in that area, and then it makes it much easier for us to remove all the fat from this area. So this is the amount of fat that we were able to take out from this lady on each side. So around 2 liters of fat was taken out from the right as well as 2 liters from the left side. And the saddle bags, this is how she looked on her day 2. This swelling in her legs is because of her genetic condition of lymphedema. This is different from the actual issue. This is how she looks now after 2 days, and these, if you can see, are the cuts through which we have done the whole surgery. So this is the small cut through which we were able to take out all the fat in her saddle bag area, and this is it. This is how we were able to remove this saddle bags. All the bruises will gradually go down in coming 2 to 3 weeks. So if in case you have fat deposit in your body, you can always approach us or you can consult us for liposuction. Liposuction is a very simple surgery and it is not meant for weight reduction. It is not meant to reduce the fat in whole of your body. It is ideally meant if you have something like this, if you have a fat deposit in a particular area which is not in harmony with the rest of your body, and once we are able to remove all this fat, your shape is much better. And there is a query that I very frequently get, that will this fat come back? So this fat will not come back if you maintain your weight. So if you are 70 kgs as of today, and if you maintain your weight in 10% of your body weight, so even if you become 77, this fat won't come back. But yes, if you gain a lot of weight, say if you become 100 kgs, 120 kgs, so I hope you understand that if you are gaining 50 kgs, some amount of fat will get deposited, but then also the fat which will get deposited in the saddle bag will be much less compared to the fat which will get deposited in the rest of your body. So it in actual true terms makes your body come in shape with the rest of your body. In case you wish to know more, you can always contact us or leave a comment below, or you can contact us through WhatsApp and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you and have a nice day.